Okay, welcome back. Our next subject is going to be substitution method. Um, how we can solve equations with substitution method and elimination method. Um, substitution and elimination elimination method. Any math student should note strongly that this is a strong ways of solving equations in mathematics, and they need to take this very serious. Take for instance, let's have this equation: 3x minus 2y is equals to 5, and you have another equation: 2x plus y is equals to 7. Now we have equation 1 and we have equation 2. These two equations, we can solve for x and we can solve for y and y. These are the two words, two values we are looking for. For you to solve this, you can either solve for it by using substitution method, or we can use elimination method. Take for instance, let's use substitution method. To use substitution method, let's look at when we consider equation 1 and equation 2, we realize that this is just only 1. If we multiply 1 with this, it will still give us y. So it will be good for us to use this line, this particular equation, equation 2, which is, let's substitute y. Let's make y the subject of formula. To make y the subject of formula, y is equals to 7. The 2 will cross the border to the other side and it will make it minus 2x. Now we have the value for y. Now we're not going to put the value of y is equals to 7 minus 2x into equation 1. Equation 1. When we put the value of y into equation 1, this is what we have: 3x minus 2 bracket the value of y, which here is now this, bracket 7 minus 2x is equals to 5. Then we can now look for value of x. Can we see that? We can see that y has been eliminated. Y has been eliminated by the power of substitution. So what we have is going to be 3x minus 2 times 7 minus 2 times minus 2x is equals to 5. And this is what we're going to have by the end of the day as 3x plus 4x minus 14 is equals to 5. Then we will now have 7x is equals to 5 plus 14. The 14 is going to cross the border and it's going to go to the other side. Now, what we're going to have by the end of the day is going to be 7x is equals to 19. And the value of x is now going to be, therefore, the value of x is equals to 19 over 7. Now, let's record that we have 19 over 7 as our value for x. X is equal to 19 over 7. Now, we are now looking for, what is y? To get the value for y, since we know y is equals to 7 minus 2x, and we know the value of x is equals to 19 over 7. What we just need to do is so simple. Y is equals to 7 minus 2 dot 19 over 7. Then what this means is 7 over 1 minus 38 over 7. Then we can take the SCM of this, which is 7, which is going to give us 38. And this is going to be 7 times 7. 1 is 7, 7. 7 times 7, 49. And this means we are going to have 11 over 7 as the value of y. Value of y. To prove this, proving this, whether we are right with our formula, with what we've got or not, all what we need to do is so simple. We just need to just put, what's the value of y? We have it as 11 over 7 is equals to 7 minus 2 dot 19 over 7. If this is equals to this, which it is, that means what we are doing is correct. We can also, to further prove this, we can also put all the value of x and y into the original equation. If it gives us the value of what the right hand, if the right hand side gives the value of the left hand side, that means what we have done, it's correct. So this is the substitution method. Now we are now going to deal with the second method, which is the elimination method, in the next lesson.